Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. Today I'm doing my November 2020 layout share for the kit I put together at the beginning of the month. Now, if you want to see how I put this kit together, I will put a link to the kit share video below. Basically, it was an expanded and adapted version of Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds kit. And what that is, it's a Facebook series where Shimelle provides a shopping list of supplies, and throughout 1 month, she creates pages and offers inspiration on her Facebook page. And I'll put a link to that Facebook page below as well. I'm filming on November 26th, and so far I've created 22 pages and 6 of the 7 Shimelle projects. She'll probably do 1 or 2 more, and if I do them, I'll post them on my Instagram, which is Scrapbooking QC. And before sharing, I just want to point out I did have to cover up some of the photos, and in the description box below, there is a list of process videos for some of the pages I'm about to show you. So for the first 2 pages here, the page on the right, that is a Shimelle inspired layout, and I simply created the second page to create a double page layout because I often do that. And with the material that was in the kit, I also incorporated some punched out leaves. There were a lot of punches in my kit this month. So here are 2 more pages. I'm not quite sure how they're going to appear in my album, but they are going to go side by side. The page on the left is a Shimelle inspired layout. She used 1 photo, I used 3. And the page on the right, I did a layout process video for that page design, not the page itself, so I will link it up in the description box below. Now this one here, again, another Shimelle inspired page. Now hers looks different. The cut file is different. Her entire background has printed paper. I used more white, but it was definitely a Shimelle inspired layout. This one here, my favorite Shimelle inspired layout. This technique was so much fun. Basically, we filled this circle in full of Doodlebug design stickers. Who knew? Because at the beginning of the month, I didn't think I would like it. I liked it so much that I actually did it again, but this time I created the circle with my punches, and there is a layout process video for this page, so I'll link it up below. So here are 2 more pages, and the page on the left is a Shimelle inspired layout. Again, mine looks a bit different in the sense that hers was all full of printed paper, and I reduced the printed paper and left some of the cream colored background visible. That's all. And I created a double page to go with that. Again, another Shimelle inspired layout. Now this one was inspired by a sketch from Scrapbooking Cards Today. That's what I'm showing you right now. Very same thing. She did this page, she used that purple paper, but I used it only in bits and pieces. I used more of a white background. Now for these 2 layouts, not Shimelle inspired, basically the page on the right there is a layout process video for that page design, not the page itself, so I will link it up below, and I created a second page to go with it. I had a lot of fun with those Vicky Boutin thickers this month, those letters. You'll see more of that. Again, another process video for these 2 pages. This one was inspired by the Allison Davis 6x6 paper pad sketches class that I'm taking right now. And there is a process video for this one. It was for the Love of Crafting and Sharing collaboration. This is the very same page design, only using different material. And as you can see, this one, the material is completely different. It's from the Paige Evans Go the Scenic Route collection. I had a bunch of leftovers of that in my kit this month, and I managed to use it all up. Another one used the same material, or the same collection, I guess. There is a process video for this one. I did it for Stretch the Sketch. It's linked up below as well. This one's really busy layout, a little bit out of my comfort zone. This is the very same page design that I just showed you, and again, it's the same collection, Go the Scenic Route. So with these pages, I killed the Go the Scenic Route portion of my kit. Finally, the last 2 pages, and these 2 as well were inspired by the 6x6 paper pad class by Allison Davis at Scrapbook Generation. As you can see, I've used a lot of my punches and dies this month. It was really fun to do that. And when I put my kit together, I mentioned those stickers there from Doodlebug Design. I had no idea how I would use them. I almost used them all. And when I put my kit together, I threw in a pack of solid cardstock, and I'm so glad I did because I use so many tools and I really utilized that. Anyway, this is what I created with my November 2020 kit. I hope you enjoyed this layout share. And if you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Also, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you tomorrow with my December kit share. Bye-bye.